You can never have enough Dollar Tree DIYs, so HalloWeek continues with 3 ideas that are a little glam-inspired. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alli, and this is day 3 of HalloWeek. Today I'm doing skeleton-themed decor using Dollar Tree supplies because they had quite the selection of skeleton items at the store this year. And to add a spin, I thought I would make them a little bit more elegant, a little classy, to create kind of a vanity vignette that you can style for your Halloween bedroom decor. I don't know if that's a thing, but that's what I did. But anyways, I think they all turned out super cute, so let me show you the first DIY. I started with this skull, which is of course sold at Dollar Tree. First I'm going to use a utility knife and a candle to help cut the plastic. I first showed this trick in my first HalloWeek video. Please make sure you're very careful when doing this and ask for help if you're not comfortable using a sharp knife. Next I took white gloss Rust-Oleum spray paint and covered the entire skull. I'll be using this spray paint throughout the entire video. After the paint dried, I used some floral foam from Dollar Tree and stuck it inside the skull. Then I picked up some of the purple and black roses from the Dollar Tree floral section and cut off the stems. Then all I did was arrange the flowers inside the skull to make this neat little flower vase. To make this skeleton hand ring holder, I picked up this skeleton arm, and I also grabbed a black plastic soap dish. So I cut the arm at the wrist using my knife, but I think sharp scissors would also probably work to do this. After that, I gave the hand 2 good coats of that white spray paint. I also painted the underside of the soap dish black, which is optional if you want to stick with the original transparent black soap dish. Once both were dry, I used a lot of hot glue to attach the hand to the dish. Finally, to cover up that ugly hot glue at the bottom, I had a tiny piece of black sequin ribbon left, which I did get at Dollar Tree a while ago, and I just wrapped those around the wrist of the skeleton hand and secured it with hot glue. And here's the final jewelry holder. It's perfect to hold your rings, bracelets, or Halloween accessories. For the final DIY, I took this cute little skeleton guy and chopped him in half just above the hips. I also cut the little plastic piece off the top of his head. Next, I gave the skeleton 2 coats of white spray paint, and while the paint's drying, I took a dollar store frame, removed the backing, then took this purple velvet, which I've used in Halloween videos now for 3 years in a row, which is super crazy to think about, and covered the back with it. After that, I put the back into the frame. Next, I used hot glue to attach the skeleton to the velvet. And since it looked kind of boring as is, and he had a lot of head space, I decided to add some glam by making him a little crown. And to do this, I folded up a strip of cardstock into an accordion so that I could cut even points, then just used a bit of aluminum foil to cover the crown. Once that was done, I glued the crown into a circle shape and then glued it onto the top of the skeleton's head. And this was just a simple DIY because I already had some of the supplies on hand, and it looks so cute in combination with the other 2 DIYs. I'm super in love with how all 3 of these DIYs turned out. Now, if you want even more Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs, I have 2 other videos, so I'll link those below, along with the playlist for HalloWeek 2019. And if you don't want to miss the last 2 videos of HalloWeek, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. Before I go, give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below with any crafts or DIYs that you have done with Dollar Tree products, or any that you would like to see me do in the future. And that's all I have for you this time. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!